Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. As many of you knows that I like to plant my herbs and vegetables from seeds. In this video, I am going to collect seeds from onion chives and snow peas. This is an onion chives and I have planted them in many areas in our small backyard. The flowers are so beautiful and the pollinators love it. We use it a lot for cooking as well. Before collecting the onion chive seeds, you have to let the flower dry up. Now the seeds are ready, just cut it and knock it in a container or a bowl. In this box attached on our deck, I planted onion chives in both sides. It also helps to deter pests and to bring more pollinators. I also planted it here along the walkway. When it's in full bloom, it's just so beautiful to see. With these seeds that I have collected, I have more than enough to plant for next year and to give away to a friend. This is how much seeds I got. Now I'm going to collect the snow peas seeds. In here, I allow the snow peas to dry out. When it's crispy and dry, just open the pods and here's the seeds. After collecting all the seeds, this will be stored and ready for the next season. Look how much I got. I hope you are able to save your own seeds as well for the next season. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Life Home and Garden with Anna Rica, and bye for now.